Documents4Me by Stratasy provides a simple way for businesses of any size to upload, index, secure, and share important documents in the cloud. Unlike most online document storage solutions where files are just dropped into a folder, Documents4Me lets you define how documents are organized, retrieved, sorted, and secured. Documents4Me lets you assign properties to each document that you upload, like what type of document it is, an invoice, a purchase order, a product data sheet, or any other specific type of document. Each type of document is further defined by search fields that are appropriate to the type of document. For example, an invoice can be searchable by invoice number, invoice date, vendor name, invoice amount, due date, or any other relevant invoice data. On the other hand, a product data sheet may be searchable by product name, manufacturer, item number, product category, or any other product-relevant data. This allows users to perform advanced searches, like finding all invoices from Acme Corporation with due dates in the first quarter of this year, where the invoice amount was over $500. Documents4Me also includes robust workflow capabilities for handling tasks like reviewing and approving invoices over a specific amount or from a specific vendor. Workflows can apply to many types of documents other than invoices as well. Employees may need to have PTO requests reviewed and approved by their supervisor, or a purchasing agent may need to have purchase orders over a certain dollar amount reviewed and approved by a manager. Documents4Me's flexible workflow rules and criteria can be applied to almost any type of scenario. Another powerful and unique feature of Documents4Me is our index template feature. This allows users to upload sets of related properties about an entity, like an employee. An index template record can contain full details about the employee, like first and last name, employee ID, birth date, hire date, position, and more. Once the index template for an employee has been uploaded to Documents4Me, a single unique field like the employee ID can be used to automatically apply the full details about the employee to a document. For example, uploading a salary change form for an employee would require only entering their employee ID and clicking Submit. The document would then automatically be retrievable by the employee's last name, hire date, or any other field included in their index template. That will not only make adding the document to Documents4Me faster, but it provides another big benefit. Documents indexed using a template maintain a relationship to the template, so if at some later date the index template needs to be edited to, for example, update a last name, Documents4Me will automatically apply the change to any document tied to that template. Documents4Me Plus, an optional add-on to Documents4Me, offers interactive form management, including forms requiring electronic signatures. Forms can include standard documents like an IRS W-9 or W-4, or can be custom forms that you create. Adding index fields to a form is quick and easy, using drag and drop controls directly in Documents4Me, with no need to own or use Adobe Acrobat. Requests to fill out and complete forms in Documents4Me can be sent internally to organization users or externally to vendors, customers, or others either individually or through bulk email. However, the most popular use of forms is through the Documents4Me self-service forms feature. This allows internal or external users to click a link to a page in your own website, which then embeds the Documents4Me form into your website. Submitted forms, just like documents, can leverage Documents4Me workflow rules to route a form through one or more review stages. Forms are automatically indexed using data submitted and become searchable in Documents4Me just like regular documents. Documents4Me and Documents4Me Plus offer granular administrative controls which allow the creation of multiple departments and teams within your organization. Department administrators can control access to folders and document types for teams and individual users within their department. A department, team, or individual user can be assigned to roles with specific permissions for deleting documents, editing index values, adding notes, and more. The flexible security offered by Documents4Me makes it capable of handling any size business, from one person to enterprise. For further information on Documents4Me, visit our website at Documents4Me.com.